I'm not saying to record already. You're already recording?
Yeah. Maybe we are.
Look, there's a cop right there. You see it? Right there?
Yeah. But...
Oh, 2 cops. They probably they caught? I don't know. Here.
3 cops.
They probably caught? I don't know. 1, 2, and the other one. 3. No, I don't think. I don't know. We'll see. Let's give it 2 minutes. They're coming. They're coming. They're coming to Will.
I saw it. I saw it coming. Yo, his car's beat up. It smells from before. Unless it turns around again, which is yo, maybe that one guy who was mad and drove off is now in the lead.
You see how it's speeding off?
So there was another tow truck who did a U-turn, you know, mad because originally the truck was driving this way, and then I looked behind us and I'm like, the lights are going a different direction now. Maybe they're coming around. Want to go through Westgate just in case the accident does stop over there?
Westgate? No.
So that way we'll turn over to Best Buy.
No, we're gonna keep on.
Alright, 2 minutes of fun footage. You gotta add sound effects.
OMG, it's gonna be exciting.